Hello students, welcome to the SoSport learning section. SoSport, one of the leading names, help to the students in their life goals through schooling, sports and life skills. Today's subject mathematics, chapter 3 subtraction, UKZ. In this chapter we will learn subtraction 1 to 10, subtraction facts, vertical subtraction number line and story sums. The process of subtracting a number from another number. Here 8. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4, 4. Subtraction means taking away. Subtraction sign minus. Subtraction facts. Subtraction facts for 3. 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 3 minus 2, 1. 3 minus 3, 0. Subtract by drawing lines and crossing out. 5 minus 2. In 5 strawberries, we have to cross out 2. Remaining how many left over? 1, 2, 3. How many left over? 3. Here 9 strawberries are there. We have to cross out minus 6. Minus 6. Here minus means we have to subtract. How many we have to cross out? Cross the line 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how many are there? 1, 2, 3. Here 8 strawberries are there. We have to subtract minus 7. 7 we have to draw the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, how many is left over? 1. Here 2 strawberries are there. In 2 we have to cross the lines. Now how many are there? 2 minus 2, 0. Here 6 strawberries are there. Here no, we don't want to any strawberry. 6 minus 0, 6. We don't want to cross out any line. 0 means we don't want to cross out any line. Here 9 strawberries are there. We had to cross out 2. 1, 2. How many left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here 9 strawberries are there. 5 we have to cross it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 strawberries are there. We have to subtract minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Now how many are there? 1. Now subtraction on the number line. See 8 minus means this is subtraction sign. 8 minus 3. In 8 how many numbers we have to subtract? 3. 8 minus 3, 5. See 8 to 7 one time, 7 to 6 2 times, 6 to 5 3 times. In 8 how many times we have to subtract? 3 times. 8 minus 3, 5. 5 minus 2. Here we have to subtract 5 minus 2. How many times? 2 times we have to subtract. 5. Here 1 time we done subtract. Again 5 minus 4. 4 minus 3. 2 times over. In 5 minus 2, how many is this? 3. 5 minus 2, 3. 8 minus 4. 8 to 7. One time we can subtract. 7 to 6. 2 times 6 to 5. 3 times 5 to 4. 4 times. In 8, how many times we have to subtract? 4 times. 8 minus 7, 1 time. 7 minus 6, 6 minus 5, 5 minus 4. 4 times we subtract. 8 minus 4, 4. Now 7 minus 5. In 7, how many times we have to subtract? 7 minus 5. 7 to 6. 1 time. 6 to 5. 2 time. 5 to 4. 3 time. 4 to 3. 4 time. 3 to 2. 5 times. In 7 minus 5 times we subtract means what is the answer? 2. 7 minus 5, 2. Now 3 minus 3. 3. 3 minus 3. 3 to 1, 1 time. 2 to 1. 2 times we subtract. Again 1 to 0. 3 times we subtract. 3 minus 3. What is the answer? 0. Now 6 minus 6. 6 to how many times we have to subtract? 6 times. 6 minus 5, 1 time. 5 minus 4, 2 time. 4 minus 3, 3 time. 3 minus 2, 4 time. 1 minus 2, 5 time. 1 minus 0, 6 times. 6 minus 6. In 6 to we have to subtract 6 times since we get the 0. Subtraction by counting backward. Now 7 minus 2. In 7, 2 we can left means in 7 fingers we have to open and 2 fingers we can close means remaining how many fingers? 5 fingers. This. Again 9 fingers you have to open. You have to close 2 fingers. In 9 fingers you have to close 2 fingers means remaining how many fingers are open? 7 fingers. Again 6 fingers you have to open. 6 fingers you have to open. 5 we can close. How many fingers are open? 1. Again 5 fingers you can open. In 5 fingers, 3 fingers you can close. Remaining how many fingers are open? 2. See now here, 4 fingers you can open. 4 you can close. What is the answer? 0. 9 fingers you can open. 6 fingers you can close. How many fingers are open? 3. Again 8 fingers you can open. Minus 5. 5 fingers you have to close. Now how many fingers are open? 3. Remaining problems you can practice. Story sums. 5 students were playing. 5 students were playing in the playground. 2 of them go back to classroom. How many students are there in playground now? 5 students are playing in playground. 2 students are going back to class. Still, how many students are there in playground? Total 5 students are there. Here minus is the subtraction sign. We have to subtract. 2 students are going to back to class. In 5 students, 2 are going to class. Remaining how many members are there? 3 students are playing in the playground. There are 8 cows in a farm. There are 8 cows in a farm. The farmer sells 4 of them. There are 8 cows in a farm. The farmer sells 4 of them. How many cows are left in the farm? There are 8 cows. The farmer sells 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them he sell. Remaining how many cows are there? 1, 4 he sell. Remaining how many cows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. Ria bought a stationery set of set for $2. She paid with a $5 note. How much change would she receive? She bought $5. $5. $5 she paid and 2 only Ria bought. And how much she received? 3. Thank you.